Yeah.
Yo, what's up, bro?
Good, bro.
All right, I got my voice back a little bit. We feeling better now, so we good.
I see it. I hear it. I hear it.
All right, now that I got some people here, I'm about to just do what it do. Everything looks bearish, to be honest. What you thinking?
Yeah, I already got my sell limits out.
Where are you looking to go short?
I was looking at this little pullback at like 1150, 11,550 area.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at
Before,
too.
yeah, before completely dropping.
That was at
I
first
was,
glance, so I haven't. I'm doing my first markup now.
yeah, I was gonna wait to that break of 490, that low, but I might as well get in the move earlier. Get all them extra.
It looks like a similar situation to yesterday. We didn't run this Asian session low again, so that could be a target along with the previous day's low.
Hmm.
Hold on, how much is it? Mm, trying to find some music to put on real quick, but hold on. So we got the high of the day from 8, the one that was made at 8. Yeah, right here. Look for a pullback, and honestly, we got this gap right in there too that I would want to see filled. But we gonna see. Boom. Because we ran this high right here also. So if this is our high of the day, then we should be good for it to keep going lower.
Oh my god, bro, I'm so mad. Oh no.
Why?
I just had my GJ alert just went off. I've been building this little $50 account. I don't know if you saw on
Mm-hmm.
Instagram, but since like last week, that shit's up to like it was up to like 300, 360,
Mm-hmm.
and I had put in for these buys on GJ, had an inverted head and shoulders. It had wicked me out this morning by like 3 pips, and then it's currently hitting TP2, one of my alerts. I'm pissed. I'm hurt.
Shit,
That
it'd
would
be
have
like
been
that
two
sometimes, though. You
thousand
can't
at
win
this
them all.
shit. You right, you right.
That's why I don't like swing trading, because it only hurts more when it takes longer and then you end up missing out. I rather learn fast.
See, like that was my first swing right there. It was just because I saw it and I was like, all right, yeah, that's an inverted head and shoulders, perfect.
Nah,
So I was
shit,
like,
it.
I'm gonna get in this bit early. I'm just gonna hold it.
If it made
Oh,
sense, I can't blame you. But yeah, I'll probably get about a 30-point stop. Yeah, right around that 543 area. I think that's my where I'll probably take my first short. About a 30-point stop, ideally. But only time what's about to have the open in 4 minutes, and I think that's when we're gonna get our push higher. No, what's everyone else trading though? You all trading ass?
Yes,
Oh yeah.
I trade GU,
GU?
not NAS. Yeah, GU.
Yeah, they're all relatively similar though. They all move fast. Like most people trade like these high volume pairs.
And I'm looking to sell GU also though.
So, all right, but we on the same page, huh? Sounds good to me.
I don't know why, but I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna. Ooh, this selling me. I have to go to like 11. Yeah, 11. Almost 11,560. But I feel like New York Open is gonna.
Yeah, as
I
long as
might
it
get
don't
the
run this
under.
high, then we're good.
Yeah,
I'm good. I just don't want it to run that high. If it runs that high, then wherever I get in, I'm gonna get stopped out anyway. I'm anticipating that this is our high of the day here. If we're gonna keep going lower,
yeah.
I'm just marking up US 30 right now. US 30 didn't run the Asian session low. Also, I made like a double bottom. Did it run it? Nah, I made like a double bottom with it. Matter of fact, it might have ran it. Okay, it did. Something to be mindful of. I'm gonna draw a fib from the previous day's low to the current day high. Also, that's where we're projecting. So we'll see what happens. I think there's gonna be good opportunity for both buyers and sellers depending on what you're trying to do. You might be able to ride this trade up, and if this doesn't end up being a continuation, you'll end up being able to catch this whole move. But even if does end up being a continuation, you still will be able to get out, and then people that want to go short can still ride it lower. But we'll see. It just depends on which one you want to take, to be honest.
Hey, bro, I had a question.
What's up?
What is your plans for FBA as far as like locally?
Locally,
Yeah,
right now, locally, I'm not doing too much. I'm more or less trying to build the brand itself before I
yeah,
do anything. But locally, I would say I'm just trying to get it known. But right now, I'm not doing too much promoting of locally with that. But I'm promoting my personal self brand
yeah,
locally, if that makes sense. Because then that leads to FBA anyway,
yeah. I got
right?
you.
What I'm FBA is more the online side of it too. If you get what I'm saying, it reaches the masses, and that's what it's gonna be. That's why I want to have multiple different things. But right now, I'm in the middle of like converting. So my YouTube, you know how it's FBA Capital.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna be doing so much trading videos no more. I'm gonna try to turn it more into like finance type of thing, and all the trading stuff is gonna be paid on a whole different thing now. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna still do the live streams on there. But there's gonna be like the live streams and like little things, but it's still gonna be some stuff streamed. But it's not only gonna be that. It's not gonna be niche, if that makes sense. I'm gonna be able to reach more.
yeah.
So it's in the middle of a weird thing. Re
Nah,
rebranding,
I see. I
rebuilding.
hear you. I hear you.
But overall, it's the same big picture though.
Cause
Yeah,
I got a couple of folks out here in Tampa actually. Uh, they are you know one I guess big traders I guess you could say, but they're very like independent, but they're trying to
that's about
like
to fly. You can keep talking. I hear you, but I was just saying.
my fault. No, you get
Are you good?
they trying to like explore into like a group. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, there's one dude I know that's actually, consistent and actually has a good follower base. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's a lot you can learn from him and stuff. So they're taking into consideration. So you might have like a big group of people that are currently traders. You know what I'm saying? Be hitting you up. Just be aware that
Shit.
they've been looking at your shit and stuff, and they're like, yeah, he's valid. So
Yeah, the proof I have. The proof says itself.
yeah,
Nah, I'm about to get into a long now. If I'm looking at US 30, US 30 is about to run those highs. So more than likely, I think this is gonna push. Even though this didn't run the Asian session low, if you just look at the size of it, I'm gonna take it. Like I said, if this ends up going here, I'll be able to break even, and if it comes back lower, I'm fine. Then it was a break even trade. But if it ends up going higher, then I'm able to capitalize on it. And this would be like a almost a 1 to 2 if we run this high up here. So we'll see. But looking at US 30, it does look like it could play out. But we'll see what happens. Worst comes to worst, I take a L. Where did I get in? About 513.
See what we just came back to opening price. You would consider opening price as like an area of liquidity almost, right?
It depends. Open, it's really situational in my opinion. Like a lot of the time, if we open and we just start making a new high, I probably won't even do nothing. But if we're in like an area by like a big figure, usually I'll like anticipate I'll probably hold it, if that makes sense. Even liquidity is really situational too. Like if we were closer to this Asian session low at the open, it's different. It's all about where we are in price, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
But a lot of the time, I don't really look at it as just the open. I just look at the open as just volume, regardless. So if we're in an area that it makes sense, it just gives me more leniency to take it. We'll see. US 30 did reject lower, but with the volume it had, it does look like it might try to run for them highs. And if it doesn't and ends up keeping bearish, well, then it is what it is. One L ain't gonna kill my ass. But we'll see. I don't know if I'll take another trade if this ends up being an L, though. Probably just watch it from there. Because if it goes lower, it might just trend. Unless you have a possible reversal around the Asian session low, or maybe the previous day's low. But even then, it might be a situation like yesterday, where it just kept going lower. So, always something to be mindful of. USA is almost pushing it, but we'll see. Only time will tell. Nash usually follows a little bit later. All right, started pushing a little bit. Almost at break even. Once I break even, then we good. Let's see how high we could push though.
Now we got today's high mark established.
Oh yeah, there we go.
niggas pushing.
All right, I'm break even now. Oh, there we go. No risk, no reward. Yeah, there we go. So worst comes to worst, I make nothing, right? Fuck it. But if we start running them highs, I might just take it off there just because I'll make up my loss yesterday +1, and I'm not really trying to go crazy. It's NFP week, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just take what
A
I can.
solid week so far. Shockingly.
I just want to see it run this high. Once we can run this high, I feel better. But if it does something like US 30, it might just come back lower. All right, let me delete this high of the day question mark. I don't want that to be true. But it just filled in that fair value gap, so anything could happen from here.
We're in a range too. Now we've established
US 30 just
high.
fell. US 30 just fell. It might end up stay bearish potentially. I don't know. Part of me doesn't trust it's gonna push because US 30 hasn't been trying to drop from it.
I don't know. My sell limit just got hit, so I'm gonna stick to that.
Mm,
Nas looks like it is gonna push bullish.
I wanted to, but US 30's been failing. I'm just like, damn, bro.
US 30 looks like it needs to pull back.
Because what I'm looking at, I'm thinking what because US 30's pulled back like 4 or 5 times, like fully. So I'm thinking since Nas just pushed, it might pull back a few times, and I don't want it to stop me out. Because US 30 did like a full pull back to like 800 type shit, like 3 times.
Nas was quick.
We'll see. Like I said, I'm break even. I'll just hold it. Worst comes to worst, I do nothing.
50% into this OB.
Oh, we ran these lows, these weekly lows
525.
also. We ran the weekly low when? Last week? No, yesterday. So that could be a reason to get a push today.
I get the low of the week.
Yeah, right here. Possible. Yeah, look at US 30. It pulled back fully again. That's just
We'll come down
devious.
to 525 area on Nas, and it will see some kind of rejection. And if it just falls through, then yeah, it's bearish.
Damn, yeah. US 30 pulled back again. This shit is devious. Yeah, like I said, it's gonna give good opportunity to both. Like I said, this is probably just a short-term push. Original buy still sees.
Asia low first. That would be ideal. Rather than previous day's low.
Yeah, I think it's definitely gonna keep going lower. That was just a break-even trade. It's cool. It is what it is. Yeah, the original buy still looks like it's gonna play out. We'll see. If it's like US 30, hopefully it has another pullback back up here. If it doesn't, that's very unfortunate. Because US 30 pulled back like 4 or 5 times.
Got the nastiest wick sale. Oh my god.
Yeah, US 30 is finally falling. Hopefully Nas has that pullback. Because US 30 pulled back a good like 4 or 5 times. If Nas just doesn't pull back, I'm gonna be upset.
Came back to where I had my original sells at.
Yeah, US 30 is gone. Come on, Nas. I just need that pullback. One more. Yeah, it might just follow that US 30. It might not even pull back.
Which is
If it
cool,
does it, if it does it, it is what it is. But that's unfortunate.
because we're kind of like in a weird area anyways.
I wouldn't sell right here. That's what I'm saying. Up here would have been ideal, but US 30 just broke the low lower, so it can only be a matter of time for Nas.
Yeah, I guess the sell did make sense because we had those two. Yeah, my runner got stopped at break even.
Which runner?
The one I had shorted from earlier. I got a sell after that big candle right there at 7:30. Got into a sell on the fair value gap. I scalped it down a little bit.
Come on, US Nas. Come back up higher. That just a little bit. You know what I mean? Just a little bit.
Playing with profits.
Come on, US 30. Not US 30. Nas. You know you just want to come up a little bit. Yeah, come on. Come on. Just a little bit. Come on. Just like right here.
rejection wicks on 30.
US30's been volatile.
Hell
It's been moving up and down, up and down, up and down. Come on, Nash, you're so close. So close.
come on, dude. I need you to break this shit.
Set out. Did that work out?
Damn it, Nash. US30 gave so many opportunities, Nash just gave like one.
I think because Powell's speaking, a lot of people are going to be back and forth. So it might get a little choppy day. And it's weird because he's speaking at 12:30.
That early?
I'm saying.
12:30 my time, so like 1:30 your time.
Oh, sounds about right though. Yeah, look, I just pulled a fib from the previous day's high to previous day's low. That shit is right in the middle of all this volume. All these candles, look at this. That red line.
Again.
Oof. Oof.
Fucking.
Bruh.
Oh my god.
I don't even know if I should sell.
I'm thinking about pulling that shit out.
I'm
Yeah.
selling, bro. I'm sticking with it, bro. Worst comes to worst, I take one L still. But US30 still fall. I'm gonna just take this as it gave me my shot. It gave me my shot.
Listen, you holding, I'm holding.
Yeah, there we go. Since I only took a break-even trade, it could still happen. US30, it could still fall. I don't know what just happened, but hey, I ain't gonna question it.
Bro, it has to fall, bro. All these rejection candles on the 1 hour, 30, like,
Yeah, even on the 2 hour, it looks crazy.
It's an evil world we live. Bro, it gets devious so fast.
Today,
Nash is just wilding now. US30 looks like it's still trying to hold. Nash is just wilding.
US30 don't know what it wants to do.
let's see. This is like trading S&P a lot more now.
Bro, this should be
Way
wilding.
less stressful.
I wouldn't even say it's stressful. It just gives me some entertainment. Lightens my day up. It looks like it can still hold. It's just, what time is it? It's only 9:40. What was that volume? It was just like at 9:40.
I'm not.
Yeah,
Let me go on Finviz.
Somebody just put some money in real quick.
Banks are short more than 1 trillion in capital.
Mm.
So this year's shortfall will only get worse. Stocks wobble just hours away from pop.
my God, Nas, chill.
I still think it's gonna fall lower. I'm just waiting for
It needs
US30 to fall.
my emotions.
Because US30 already had a drop.
Sell off just based off of minerals.
I'm just trusting it
It
high.
could be scare tactic.
As long as it's high, don't get ran, I'm good. But once it's high, get ran, it's just gonna keep going higher.
I told you I don't know nothing west. So west.
Oh, I just closed bullish.
Well, we just took out the low.
That's not a good look, closing bullish. I don't know. They're showing two different things. US30 just closed the bearish dojian. Let's just close bullish.
Fully.
Yeah, fuck it. I'm holding this up. I'm holding.
I need this to flip bearish. Because the way that closed is not what I like to see.
Not 18, look.
It's been 15 minutes. So now that's gonna be my new rule. 15 minutes, nigga.
I'm still in the buy trade. I got in at 504.
And then you might be good for the buy. I'm just mad mine got stopped out. That's what I was saying. Shit, bad
I
vibes.
missed the 500 entry for sure. I deleted my buy order and I did an execution.
We gonna see, cause US30 still
Always
looks like
take
it
an
could fall.
execution trade.
Nats looks ass though, unless it turns to a big ass engulfing. But US30 still looks like it could drop, could close all the way down below. We gonna see though. I'm right around break even now.
Is it raining down there in Tampa right now?
I don't even know. My windows are closed, to be honest.
Nah, it's not.
It's pouring down. Panhandle.
It's
Hot
gonna be
in
cloudy
Dallas.
though.
I'll tell you that. It is hot in a bit out.
It's crazy because it was just cold.
Bro,
Bro, freezing, bro.
my whole body's killed. Like from all this shit. I went from Philly to here to it getting hot to being cold. It's just been. But I'm back to it now. You know what I'm saying? Feel like I could box on. Come on, I need Nas to keep pushing. I need to engulf. Hit below 500.
Glad I took my money.
So nah, some gold. Good. 30's melting.
Yeah, come on, Nas. Just engulf. That's all I'm asking for. See, this is why candles be fucking tricking you sometimes. They be big tricking. But we finish here. Yeah, US30's going. Nas has just been slow. US30 had like 30 moves in the past like 10 minutes. Yeah, US30 definitely going. Nas is like it's like medium speed. It's in the middle lane. US30 in like the left lane, fast track, expressway.
Old person driving.
Facts. Damn, yeah, Nas is just up and down. It's cool. It's the same thing US30's been doing. I'm just hoping it engulfs when it closes. That's all I'm caring about. What it looks like when it closes.
Now see, Nas looks more bullish than 5 and US30.
That's what I'm saying. This looks bullish unless it engulfs. That's the only way it's gonna look bearish to me. Because I was expecting that candle to be a wick or something. I was not looking for this candle closure. Not at all. I'm just trusting that high to be the high of the day. And if it is, then we good. But if not, then I just take my 1 L and I call it a day. But right now, US30 is like around that 800 level, so it's kind of, this is probably why everything's been holding. It's trying to get past there. But once I think US30 breaks past this 800 level, and it keeps dropping, I think that's when NAS is gonna fall.
Crazy with this. Nas is chilling on top of the Asia range as if like it's gonna continue bullish.
And that's what it looks like. I was not looking for it to push this high into the range. Not at all.
Really taking Asia.
We got 8 minutes for this closure.
A lot of people just sitting on their hands. I think it's gonna sell off.
Could just even range until he speaks, to be honest, too.
I don't really see it going bullish till he speaks, if anything. Because usually he's the only one that'll push it bullish. Even then.
Yeah, there we go, some bearish momentum. Yeah, look, we're as long as we stay below 800, if we can close below 800 on what is it? US30, yeah, then I think we should be good. Same thing if we can close below 500, but we got some time to get to 500 on NAS. But once we get below 500, I think it's straight, because then the Asian session low is the next area. Then from there, if you're in a trade, you should already look to take some off just in case. Just because it took so long to even happen. I wouldn't even trust trying to hold it too long term. Considering how many highs it's making over here in this area, it could just run all these highs. This is making more liquidity. Same thing with US30. Look at this. Yeah, that's just on that bullshit. Yeah, US30 still looking bearish. Nash is looking bullish. One of the characteristics of a good self leader is to be able to adapt to change, breathe, reevaluate, weight the risk to reward, patience, take action, walk away, or wait for an entry. That's facts. There goes US30 falling. Now Nas, you should follow your ass along with that shit. Not gonna lie. We got 4 minutes to engulf Nas. What you gonna do in that 4 minutes? 5 minute. Mm, I don't know. It's tricky. Filled in this gap. And from there, kind of went lower, but this is taking too long. It's taking forever. There goes US 30. Come on, Nas. Damn, US 30's going. Bells, I know you on US 30, right?
Nah, I'm in Nas, baby.
Damn. Sorry to hear that.
30 just take off.
US 30's going.
See, look, I'm sitting here driving this truck, loading up a truck and shit, and trading.
Shit, yeah, US 30's all the way. It's at the age of such a law. At 750. Damn. Nas, you are wild, and you making me want to like triple up type shit. I'm like, why are you staying here this long? Why are you staying here so long? It's just making me angry. It's like, are they really just giving this much opportunity right now to just have people sell? Like, damn.
It's chilling at equilibrium, really. So it's not really the most ideal place when taking a trade. So I think they're just trying to. I don't know what the hell they're trying to do.
I don't know either.
Chop niggas up. That's all I can think. Chop them up. Like I think they're trying to lure in some more sellers.
That's the only way, cause since I'm bearish, that would be the only thing. But usually when something wants to play out, it happens fast. So the longer it takes, it's just like, but it still looks good. So it's like, damn, what they doing here?
Well, let's see. Maybe Nas is trying to lure in buyers, and then US 530 is trying to get more buyers in. I've been bearish today, though, overall.
Yeah, the bearish is the ideal play. It makes sense. Sticking with the trend, the high of the day, it would make sense. But not everything that makes sense happens, right?
Unfortunately.
Yeah, it has about a minute to close a bearish engulfing on the 15, and I don't think that's gonna happen. So I don't know what Nash is doing. Makes me wish I took US 30.
Hey, I'm about to put you in my pocket, baby. You should let me know what happened now. I can't even look at my phone.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't like the way Nash is looking. That 15-minute is not it.
I'm gonna put this. Oh my god, now what are you doing?
Yeah, US 30 looks like the better option when you're looking for a sell. Nash just keeps closing bullish, and I don't like it. Yeah, Nash US 30 closed bearish. Oh,
Look at 30. Look at 30. Oh,
look at Nash too. Fuck that. Fuck 30 now. Yeah, Nash. Yeah, Nash. I'm not even gonna question it, bro. What time is it? If it's 10 o'clock, yeah, 10 o'clock. All right, makes sense. Makes sense. I was about to say I'm not questioning this shit again.
Actually, hold on. Let me see if we run the previous days first.
let me put this TP on.
Bro, I just did my.
Nice.
Okay, count.
Oh yeah. All right, that works too.
I'm content. Run this fucking low at 490. I'm straight.
Yeah, 10 o'clock. I guess it was waiting for. I'm just waiting for it to get below these lows.
Damn, got wrecked.
Shit, it be like that sometimes. I was buying earlier too, Mario. So I see why you're buying. I just got mine stopped at break even.
Yeah, same. Damn. Oh, I'm waiting. I'm gonna sit down and just look at the charts again, see if what's going on.
Yeah, hopefully this just keeps falling. I don't want it to keep pulling back. I'm ready for it to just drop already. It's just been ranging.
I'm kind of just studying things right now.
Yeah, this is my last trade now because at this point I'm almost at break even. So worst comes to worst, I just lost nothing, made nothing today. All right, and we break even again. All right, suck my dick, Nash.
Ain't no way. We came back to break even again.
Nah, I'm at break even. I'm up, so I'm break even.
Stop loss.
Nah, I'm waiting for this to keep dropping like US 30 though. I don't want it to pull back into this range like it has been. Hopefully it doesn't, because if this stops me at break even again, I'm gonna be upset. Because my first buy trade stopped me at break even, that flew up here. So I'm just hoping this finally drops.
Just short off this 1 minute.
I can't wait for next year.
Oh shit. Yeah, US 30's going, Nas. What are you doing? You really like a old lady today.
Bro, and I swear the roles were reversed yesterday.
Yeah, it's always one or the other. That's why I just look at both.
Yeah, no cap. You gotta start, bro, especially this time of year.
I've been looking at these for a couple months though. Like my US 30 is always on the right side of my chart. Is there small ass little chart? Cause this is my monitor is fucking large as fuck. I have like a whole damn
That's
near.
basically two monitors, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
So
Is it like
I have like
48?
I have
40?
I have three. I have my NAS chart, the US 30 chart, my Telegram, the meeting Zoom, the chat from the Zoom. I have the y'all
Oh,
faces from the Zoom, and I have the
all on
OBS
one
open.
screen?
Yeah, it's all open.
That's thorough.
Bro, we coming back up. If it stops me at break even, I'm gonna be highly upset.
I think it, bro. If it does come back up, it's probably just gonna consolidate till that nigga speaks.
I'm just waiting because that US 30 is going, bro. Why are you doing this, Nas? Why are you doing this? Make me upset. Very upset. Right. Quarter 4, I guess, right? This shit is garbage. Straight garbage. And I have a feeling it's gonna break me even and then keep going lower. That's my problem with this.
That's what I'm looking for. I just sent it in the chat. Or at least for 500.
Well, it just stopped me at break even. That's tough.
No way, bro. What?
This shit is just up and down.
As early. Oh, shit.
I don't even know if I want to take any other trades. This shit
I'm
is
about to say, I don't even think I'm gonna trade it.
2 break evens. Ain't that some shit? US 30 is just so gone now. Doesn't make sense. Why you gotta do this, Nas? What's the 1 minute look like?
Breaking.
I needed to break a major low.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold this now. I'm in at 11,557. So I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna put it at
Yeah,
break
I don't
even.
got nothing right now.
Hell, break even that shit.
You said don't.
No, no, no. I said for sure.
Oh
With the
yeah,
way it's
definitely break
moving,
even. I was gonna say,
yeah.
be wildin', especially with all that liquidity to the left.
Break even's that's the right move, bro. Because this shit's been fucking playing ping pong off these two fucking off the fucking range high and low.
For sure.
Broke even. So I'm about to
Okay.
break it. Come on, nah. The 30 whooping your ass.
Yeah, US 30 was the better one for these plays.
God.
You can have different fib setups.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, bro. This nigga be on Trading View. I haven't used Trading View in a while.
The hell do you use?
I just been on, bro,
You just what?
on MT5.
Tweaking.
Yeah, I like trading you. US
Yeah,
30's
because I have to play
going.
around.
Nas, why are you
Yeah,
doing this?
I'm about
Make
to buy this fat ass curve monitor today too.
30.
I hate you, Nas. I hate you so much sometimes.
I'm watching it move too.
Oh yeah, we good.
Should be
We not
annoying.
good, but we straight.
Like US 30, that's the main reason. US 30 still falling. That's my main thing. I figured it's gonna keep falling. It's just it keeps stopping me at break even, bro. Every time.
Devious little bitch. I'm not gonna lie.
And in the grand scheme of things, we're just ranging now. So anything I do want to do is probably just gonna get fucked anyway. Yeah, they're doing opposites right now. Yeah, look at that. I don't even know if I want to short now, bro. Why does it keep doing this? It's such a weird situation. US 30's falling now.
I think I've realized over the past 2 years how much anxiety US 30 and NAS has given me. I've never had anxiety with.
Bro,
Nah, they definitely do. Cause bro, it
shit,
just be
bro.
moving out of nowhere. I don't even be knowing if it's my chart or if it's like
Nigga, the amount of times your heart just drop,
they're just doing opposites. Look at them.
shit don't be making no
That's
sense.
divergence right there. Something big's gonna happen.
Real shit, bro.
Something big's gonna happen today.
You know when they start moving against each other, something's coming.
Well,
Oh yeah.
What the fuck? Like, is going
Hey,
on?
maybe I'm glad I'm breaking you. You know what I'm saying?
that's
Bro,
why I'm
hold on,
glad
bro.
I'm
Y'all.
trading. Glad
Oh
I'm
my
on bot.
god.
These markets, man. Jesus. Cheese Louise, man.
I'm
Nah,
bleeding
real
this
shit.
nigga mouth. I'm done until possible.
Real shit.
Fuck that. I can't be working and doing this shit.
Nah, Def can't, bro. I put me in a mood, bro.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm loading this check in right now. I'm just listening to headphones. As soon as I hear y'all saying, "Oh shit," I'm like, "Nah, stop what I'm doing, bro. Look, this shit's fucking broke even, bro."
Bro,
Oh
as
my,
soon as, bro, when I saw Kai say that shit took him to break even, I was like, what? Bro, I just swiped away. I was like, bro, I just swiped away from the app. That shit was at the bottom.
hell.
No, this is a wild time. It still looks like it might even fall too. That's the main weird thing. Who
I
knows?
have a feeling. I'm gonna come back 10 times more when the power's coming.
Weird, because it really could still do right. It really could still fall.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not even fuck with it. You know what? Mm.
It's gonna be a. I'm gonna sit back and just probably
I
eat
want to sit back,
popcorn.
but I feel like right here is
The only thing is that
some
15
shit.
minute, just look at 15. I do not trust that 15.
If it runs those highs on 15,
Not even run the highs, even if it closes anywhere
I like how
bullish.
500's looking.
I said 5 minute looks possible for sure, but that 15 does not look good.
that
Not
15
at
is
all.
wild. Yeah, that's just pushing. I'm done.
S&P looks solid. S&P's the only one that looks more clear out of all. For real.
Nas could even start pushing, to be honest. Not Nas, US 30. If anything. Because you look at it, it just kind of pulled back,
And
but
that look,
it didn't run the previous day's low though. Neither did we do today. So, on Nas. So it could just be, you mean?
Asia low.
And then you can come down to maybe 700 on US 30, where we are now. Yeah, that might be a better option. Nas doesn't look very nice, if I'm being honest.
Nas is about to be a fucking first half of year pair, bro. I swear to God. As soon as that shit hit September, bro, shit started acting up.
Nah, it hasn't been that bad.
hasn't been that bad. Like we can still trade it, of course, but I just feel like we've been looking at other pairs as more this like entire season.
Yeah. Also
Like
keep in
throughout
mind
the
if you
year.
trade every day, it's going. If you trade every day, 1 month you're gonna feel like 4 months.
No cap.
So 1 or 2 weeks of bad shit happens, it's gonna feel like a month. In reality,
Yeah.
it's been that bad. We've had good and bad weeks. Nigga, you had a good ass hold and runner.
Yeah.
Not even
No,
2 days ago.
I'm not saying Naz is chalked. I'm saying that shit definitely changes with the season, like the way it moves.
No, yeah, but that's every pair.
Yeah, I would say everything does.
That's everything.
I
That's why you
know.
always gotta move back and forth.
Like that's probably why S&P is looking more structural around this time though, because it has more stocks in it, so it's probably gonna be like a easier, not easier, more smooth move.
Nah, yeah, that's true though. That's why you're 30. It's more volatile. It's less.
On S&P. Pretty easy.
Yeah, US 30 might be good for a buy. Nas, I wouldn't even touch Nas. Fuck
I'd
Nas.
touch them. Fuck that shit.
But US 30, I think off of 700, you might be able to get something. I don't know what the range is looking like though. So that previous day's low is about 50 points. Yeah, that might be a better option to be honest. Some trading maybe US 30. Cause Nas don't look it. Nas, not at all.
Looks like it's just gonna keep trending.
Because I'm looking at Nas, it ran that weekly low. So I'm looking at it could even potentially, like I said yesterday, not yesterday, yesterday's low could be the low of the week. And if that's true, US 30 could push, but that's only if it doesn't run that low. If it runs this low, though, then both of these are just on opposite sides.
The last 3 days closed bearish on Nas, so it's probably gonna keep pushing bearish. But on the day, it could come back up to like the 11,775 area. 800.
Oh, yeah, US 30's falling.
Only a matter of time. Like I said, 3 bearish daily closes. This next one has to close bearish. I have to. I think.
Yeah, I don't know. Nas could fall, but it doesn't look good. Doesn't look good though. Not at all. Yeah, they're both just iffy. Nas has just been ranging in this area by the fair value gap.
US 30 sliding.
That's what I'm saying.
previous day's low. Nope. See what US 30 wants to do. It just ran the previous day's low.
That should keep falling though, in all reality. But who knows when it's gonna fall? That's the main thing.
Or how far?
But I'm still bearish on that. It's just the same idea that I played earlier. It's just a matter of price not wanting to move, not on the volume. Because it's still within the same fair value gap, same trade idea. It's just, it stopped me out at break even twice. So it'll probably still fall. It's just a matter of when. Because US 30 is bearish as fuck, clearly. But ideally, I would want this to keep falling. Where's the previous day's low at? 447. Not bad. That would be a great target since US 30 ran to the previous day's low.
I'm about to get off to pal.
You said you about to get off to pal?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. I won't be trading when that nigga speaks.
We'll look at it.
Nah, I don't even look at it. Because if I don't trade it, ain't no point in me looking at that shit.
I'm gonna see y'all boys when the power speak.
Alright, Bruce. Y'all be safe. And I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Shit. Gotta get it
For
done.
now, gang. For now. For now.
Oh no, nigga, I'm close. I'm close, bro.
Real shit, bro. It don't even matter, bro. It don't even matter how long it takes you. You already there. You feel me? Like
Thanks.
Waiting on time to catch up.
real shit, bro.
Gotcha. All right, man. Y'all be safe. Be good.
Alright, bro. You
Safe,
too.
gang. No cap.
That's crazy. 2 break evens is wild. I'll probably end up looking for a short again, but who knows? I'll probably just hold it till power speaks, so I won't be actively trading. And if I'm not break even by the time he
You
speaks.
holding the sell?
Not yet, but I'm still in the area that I was short before. That's why I'm kind of like thinking about it, because I was in at 534, and it's around 530 now. So we'll see. If I do, I probably won't call it out just for the people watching not to take that shit. But I'll let the Telegram know. I don't know though. Everything still looks like it's gonna play out. It's just a matter of choppiness. What do you say Wednesdays are? Wacky Wednesdays?
Oh yeah.
Makes sense. Bunch of clownery, tomfoolery going on.
There's 500.
Yeah, this is why I like to trade US 30 sometimes. This is why. Beautiful. Risking like a 40 points on this would be. This is a 240 point move.
I fucked myself on US 30 last week using the same lot size as I was on NAS.
Nah, yeah, you gotta. I always make sure I calculate before I get in. I'm so used to you NAS, so I already know what lot size to use on NAS. But usually I'm risking like 50 points on US 30. That's usually my standard on US 30. Nothing like less or more than 50. That's usually a good amount. So it's about like a 0.2, 2 lot, 20 depending on the leverage, I guess. There's so much room to the downside on NAS if it follows with US 30.
What other news? What's today? Thursday. Crude
just want to see it get below 500, and then it's good. Damn, US 30 is out of there. 260 points.
Yeah, on South the news, there's just a bunch of people saying everybody's waiting, for Powell pretty much to speak.
Shit, real shit.
So it's probably just gonna be choppy. It's a step away from this motherfucker. Something's gonna happen.
Real shit. I'm just waiting to see if NAS has something like a US 30. I doubt it will, but that would be nice to see. The hour would have to engulf though. I don't know. Yeah, this is very ugly for NAS.
Okay.
Yeah, this is garbage. Not always.
Anytime stuff like this happens, that just means stay away, watch.
Might be the type of thing where I just walk away. Well, really should happen. US 30 already dropped, so it's not really much to do over there. And the NAS, only thing to do would probably look for a short and then just let it run.